Oh my god, guys, it was such a long day at work. So I had to wake up at 5 a.m. this morning to be at work by 6, and I worked till 2:30. It's like 3 o'clock now, and yeah, 8.5 hours of pure hard labor. I mean, it wasn't a bad day at all. Like, it was actually very productive. I did have like a good work day. I'm just really tired and I'm a little dizzy. I did just drink a coffee because I know I'm tired and I'm waiting for that to kick in. But I also think I might be hungry. I don't feel hungry in my stomach, but like I feel a little like lightheaded, so I'm guessing I need to eat something. So I'm about to eat something and I'm just gonna chill for like at least an hour or two because I already hit over 10,000 steps today and your girl doesn't need to walk anymore, so I'm definitely just gonna chill for a little bit because like I said, my head hurts a little bit and I'm tired as heck. So I'm hoping I don't crash and burn by like 6 o'clock because I do want to do something else today besides work, and I do work all week. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last vlog, but even though I am on holiday break and I'm at home, I have 35.5 hours of work this week, so yeah, it's like I'm still doing a lot. So in that free time, I'm trying to, you know, have like fun and do break things that I can't normally do since I'm in college, but right now I'm tired and I can only imagine how I'm gonna feel at the end of the week. Means big money though, and I'm gonna use all that money from this hard work to buy Christmas presents for people, so yeah, I'm excited because buying presents is like one of the best things to buy. My arm is getting tired and I need food. Alright, I just made some oatmeal. I have frozen berries in here, maple syrup, and peanut butter. Super quick and easy, but it's really good and I've kind of been craving that. It's 4:15 now and the gym closes at 5, and it's my mom's membership, and she's like, Reese, the gym closes at 5, and I'm like, yeah, but that still gives us 40 minutes to go, so I kind of forced her to go because I want to go and do some cardio, and then I'll just come home and finish my workout and do at-home stuff. So yeah, I'm about to head to the gym. Alright, I just had a really good cardio HIIT workout thing, and I'm making dinner. Well, I mean, I already made my dinner. Let me show you it because it looks divine. Oh yes, I made some homemade fries, some broccoli, and some guac. Me and my mom are watching Frozen. Can't get any better. Right now, I'm gonna do my nails because one, I like to just do my nails at least once or twice a week, just like a little pamper treatment. But two, I do them because I have like the worst nails ever. I honestly don't even want to show you them, but when I work and I like touch a lot of cardboard boxes and I'm moving a lot of things, my hands get so dry and I have really dry cuticles to begin with. And I also have a really bad habit of when I'm nervous or anxious or even just bored, I pick at my cuticles, so then they get like they get gross, like they're like ripped off all the time. It's like a terrible habit of mine. But yeah, they look and feel absolutely terrible. My hands are so dry, so I'm going to do my nails and watch some YouTube videos. Right now I'm watching Emma Chamberlain. She's like super funny and relatable and I like her a lot. I'm surprisingly not subscribed. I should subscribe to her. But yeah, I have a bunch of videos in my queue here to watch, so I'm just gonna like chill and watch some YouTube videos. So before I end today, because I'm tired, this day was really boring, I'm gonna like vlog tomorrow too, I just wanted to chat about my favorite YouTubers because I can, and I just want to chat about them. So recently I've been really loving Danny Mansuti. She's like a beauty YouTuber. You probably know her. If you don't, you should totally check her out. I love when she does vlogs because she's just like super chill and she knows the struggles with like anxiety and depression and stuff, and she's talked about it on her channel, and she's just like one of the realest YouTubers, like beauty YouTubers. I feel like she kind of is dissociated from the beauty community because she's just so chill. Everyone else is like so extra. And then I've also been liking Sarah's Day, which is a fitness vlogger. She's not vegan, which I usually watch vegan YouTubers, but I just really like her workouts and her positivity, and like watching people who aren't vegan like doesn't bother me. Like I don't care if they still put out good content, I'm gonna watch them. So I've been watching a bunch of like Sarah's Day's vlogs. I've watched like all of her vlogs from like the past year. And then another really cool YouTuber I found is Ashley Brooke. She's like a beauty fashion, like high-end, kill in the game fashion, and she's just like really inspiring me to like look nicer and things like that. I just like her style and her vibe too. Who else have I been liking? So I love Tati. She's like my favorite beauty YouTuber. She's just like so chill and real, and she's like no sugarcoating anything. I feel like it's just like like a mom talking to you, honestly. And then, oh, a really good YouTuber I found. She's a smaller YouTuber. Her name is Simply Nay, and she does a lot of videos about the law of attraction and positivity, and that's kind of like who I discovered when I started reading like the self-help books and law of attraction and stuff like that. So she's like a really great YouTuber if you're interested in those type of things I just mentioned, and she just deserves more subscribers. Another YouTuber who I found talks a lot about the law of attraction and just a lot of other great videos is Sam Ascorel. And then some of my other favorite YouTubers who I'm subscribed to all the time: Supreme Banana, super funny vegan YouTuber; Kaylel, another vegan YouTuber, which I really like. Oh my god, I'm going through my list of people I'm subscribed to, and I'm subscribed to a lot of people. I've been loving Desi Perkins as a beauty YouTuber. I like went through all her videos and watched them. When I find a new person I like, I just go and watch like all of their videos at once. You know who's like one of my favorite people ever? Orion Carlotto. She doesn't upload a lot on YouTube, and she just released a poetry book, which I really want to get. But yeah, I wish she uploaded more. I used to like be obsessed with her. I'm honestly like not really into the mainstream YouTubers like Nikki and Gabby and Alicia Marie. Who else is there? That whole squad. I do like Ava the best. She's my favorite out of all of them, but recently still, like, I haven't really just been into them. I don't know. I feel like they just try too hard, like, just way too hard to be relatable and funny and, like, cute and perfect, but then they always have to say how real they are. Like, if you have to constantly explain how real you are, you're probably hiding the fact that you're trying really hard. Yeah, so, like, I know they're really popular, but I just, like, I feel like their videos are just very orchestrated. And I don't really subscribe to like any comedians. I subscribe to Superwoman, which I really love her videos because she's just like super chill and real. I don't really subscribe to like any comedians, oddly enough. I subscribe to more like lifestyle YouTubers, people that have the same lifestyles as me. Fitness, veganism, really good makeup tutorials that are like not sponsored in your face. Same thing, I don't really follow the mainstream beauty people. Every once in a while I'll watch like a Laura Lee video or a Manny MUA video. Like I'll watch them because sometimes they put out really good makeup tutorials and stuff, but recently it's just like, ugh, they're all very annoying. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about my favorite YouTubers because I really like them. The ones I mentioned in the beginning, I really love their content. And if you guys have any other suggestions for people that sound like those vibes, then let me know because I'm always down to subscribe to more people. I'm going through this list and I need to unsubscribe to some of these people. My voice is like really scratchy for some reason. I need to go to bed. I told myself I was going to be in bed by 9. It's almost 11, so I don't have to work early tomorrow. I do have to work tomorrow, but it's like at 2 o'clock. I do want to wake up early though and work out because I'm trying to be super healthy this week, because whenever I'm home, I like lose all self-control. Like I'm so lazy, I don't feel like working out, and I just eat whatever's in my house because like I have a full pantry all the time because like my family lives here. So like I'm trying to be really good, and I have been doing really good. I've been eating just a lot more like vegetables and fruits and just more like well-rounded meals. Not that I don't eat them already, it's just I've been eating them at home. So yeah, I really need to go to sleep because I know I'm going to be up for like another 2 hours at least. Good morning, everyone. So it's about 8:30 in the morning. I've been up for like an hour just like scrolling through my phone and watching YouTube and stuff. Right now I'm going to do some yoga because my workout last night has me feeling a little bit sore. I did something really different. I did a kettlebell workout, which I never do. And I guess like all the swinging motions and stuff has like my shoulders and my back sore, which is good because I haven't, like I've been trying to change up my workouts because I haven't really felt sore from them. And yeah, that was just, I feel it. I definitely do. So I'm going to do some yoga, not only to stretch, but to like start off my day on a positive note. No one's here. It's a Monday, so like my brother's at school, my family's at work, and I'm just going to chill and do some yoga this morning. Okay, but that yoga was good. It was a really good flow. I was following something on Pinterest, and then when I finished it, I just wanted to keep going, so I started doing my own thing, and feeling good. Good start to the day. I'm gonna get some breakfast because I've still got about an hour before I go to the gym. Usually when I work out in the morning, I don't like to eat, but I've got a while still, so I do want to put something in my body. And I think I'm just gonna start editing this vlog, actually. So yeah, let's see what I'm doing. This is my favorite sight in the morning. Coming down and seeing these babies. Good morning, Rock. He knows I'm filming, so he's not gonna look right at me. Oh my god, look at the face. Look how cute. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I know. Oh my god, you are the most beautiful dog. And if anyone tells you otherwise, they are wrong. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Her tail's still going. Still spinning. As always. You guys wanna go outside? Come on, let's go outside. Does anyone else say that to their dogs? Like, you want to go outside? You want yummies? You want treats? Ready? Ready? Go! Yay! Oh my god, it is freezing out. I'm really not that hungry, but I really want something good. I could either have a smoothie, but it's kind of cold. I'm kind of in the warm mood, so maybe some oatmeal. Alright, so I'm going to make some peanut butter banana oats. I'm first going to take half a banana and just mash it up in the bowl. Okay, I'm going to add half a cup of oats and half a cup of almond milk. The banana is going to make it thick, but it's also going to add some sweetness. And guys, I got this giant thing of powdered peanut butter because you know I love powdered peanut butter. I'm going to just take like a little bit more than a tablespoon. And do a dash of cinnamon because what are oats without cinnamon? Right, and I'll put that in the microwave for about 1 minute and 15 seconds. I'm going to take the other half of that banana and slice it on top. I'm going to take some real peanut butter, not powdered peanut butter, just a little bit, like a tablespoon, and drizzle that right on top. And then finally I'm going to take some walnuts for some omega-3s, healthy fats, you know, just a small little handful right on top, and there we go. Beautiful. Okay, these oats are literally bomb. Like, these are so good. And I'm making some green tea with lemon. Green tea, yoga, I'm just like, amazing. So I'm about to edit this vlog. This is actually a different video, which might go up. I edited the whole thing. I probably will upload it. I'm not really a fan of it, but yeah, I'll probably still upload it. And I have my baking with Reese to edit and then editing this vlog. So I'm a busy gal. I'm such a professional YouTuber, guys. Just finished my baking with the Reese episode 2, and that's gonna go up. So this will obviously be up before this vlog. I haven't even started uploading this vlog yet because I've been editing this baking with Reese, and it's almost 10:15, which is when I'm going to the gym, so I'll have to edit when I come back. Guys, look at this bomb lunch I just made. First of all, this is an excessive amount of fries. I understand that, but some of them my mom is going to eat. But, like, I made a veggie burger and fries because the fries I had last night were so good. I just needed to make them again. Super simple. I just took normal baking potatoes, sliced them up into a fry shape, obviously. And then I just put some seasoning on it. I'm pretty sure the seasoning I used was, like, chili, paprika, garlic, salt, pepper, so like really simple, no added oil. They're crispy, they're delicious. My whole family loves them. Oh my gosh, so good. Alright, so I did my makeup like super extra because when I just sit down and do my makeup, I get in the zone and just do it for way too long. But I mean, it looks good, so. Not really feeling the hair. It's like still damp from taking a shower after the gym, and I'm working anyway, so like no one really cares what my hair looks like. But I mean, same thing goes for makeup. No one really cares, but I just find time to make it fun, and I really enjoy doing my makeup, so yeah. Super extra, but I am liking it. About to do another 8.5-hour shift, so I don't know if I'm going to see you later. Maybe I'll like close it off at the end of the night, but if I don't, that's how my day was today.